What's up, everyone? Aaron Schatz here, Editor-in-Chief of ASE Publishing, and today we've got another unboxing for you. This time it's the D-Link Cover Wi-Fi Mesh Networking Kit. This, I think, has 3 units in there, so it should blanket your house with a whole bunch of coverage. We actually saw this at a trade show recently, and they convinced us to actually do this review. We actually don't do these reviews that often because, let's face it, networking things are pretty boring. It either works or it doesn't, and then you have some speeds and stuff. But we actually had, this is actually an interesting story. So basically, even on my network at home, where I have multiple Wi-Fi routers and stuff, it's not mesh network. Problem is that I have so many devices on my network now that all the routers cannot handle them. They just don't have the capacity. So with something like this, I should be able to have all the actual capacity that I need with all the actual stuff. Remember, if you have a lot of security cameras and stuff, something like this is probably really useful. But this is an unboxing. You'll have to wait for the full review to see if this actually works really well. And I really urge you just to hit that subscribe button right down here. So this is an unboxing, right? Here's the box. Let's break it open. I have my knife here. Well, I don't think I'm going to need it because I don't think there's any tape on it. So this is the retail box. Let's just see what's going on inside here. Oh, remember how I said retail packaging? Very nice stuff right there. So let's take this out of here. You get 1. Slippery. 2, 3 units, and let's see here, what else? Some literature on the little cover here. What else is in this box? More literature. A little flip-up card, which I it actually, okay. Just show you this. It tells you what each of the things are underneath it. You can see that. So let's take it out of here. What you got here is more literature, and over there, and a whole bunch of USB-C power adapters, and some other colored faceplates that you can change from the white, which I guess some people would fancy. You got a blue one and a pink one, so we'll give that a shot. Power, see how long the power cables are. They are integrated with the AC adapter. Probably about 4 feet, 3 or 4 feet. So that's that. What else is in here? A single Ethernet cable. That's basically it. Wait, what is it? It's a Cat5e cable. So I think these are gigabit capable. So Cat5e works just fine. And that's basically it for the unboxing. So remember, you want to hit that subscribe button. You see this and all the actual content we post. This review is going to be coming soon. I'm not going to put a time on it because it's going to require a whole bunch of testing and stuff. You know, you have to feel out the time frame here. But just remember, hit that subscribe button right down here. You'll be informed when the review is posted. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next one.